In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Google Keep on your mobile with this easy 2025 guide. If you want quick access to your notes, checklists, reminders, and ideas while you're on the go, Google Keep is a simple and convenient app to use. The good news is that signing in on your phone only takes a few moments, and once you're connected, your notes can sync automatically across your devices. To get started, make sure Google Keep is installed on your phone. If you're using an Android device, you can download it from the Google Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, you can get it from the App Store. If the app is already installed, you're ready for the next step. Now open the Google Keep app by tapping its icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When the app launches, you may be taken straight to the sign-in screen, especially if this is your first time opening it on that device. If you're not already logged in, tap Sign In, then enter your Google email address and tap Next. After that, type in your password and tap Next again. As you enter your login details, make sure everything is typed correctly so the sign-in process goes smoothly. If your Google account uses two-step verification, you may need to complete an extra security step. This could mean entering a verification code or approving the sign-in request on another trusted device. This is completely normal and helps keep your account secure. If you already have more than one Google account added to your phone, Google Keep may ask you to choose which one you want to use. Simply select the account where you want your notes to be stored and synced. This is especially helpful if you use separate accounts for personal and work-related notes. Once you've signed in, give Google Keep a moment to sync. If you already have notes saved in your account, they should begin appearing automatically on your phone. Depending on your internet connection and the amount of content in your account, this may take a few seconds. After the sync is complete, you can start using Google Keep right away. You'll be able to create new notes, edit existing ones, organize ideas, and manage everything directly from your mobile device. And that's it. You're now logged into Google Keep on your phone and ready to use it anytime you need quick, easy note-taking.